Hey guys, it's Mary. Thanks for stopping by. So I have something I wanted to share with you, and a little backstory real quick. So I don't go into a whole bunch of detail, and I haven't over the years, but I was a close to my heart demonstrator maker for almost 14 years before they closed their doors just last month. And so we were given the opportunity to transition over to Stampin' Up, which they gave us a very good opportunity, and I think the majority of people of us took it. And so now I'm with Stampin' Up, and I don't promote it, because I like being able to use all my stuff and all the companies that I enjoy. I, still want to be able to use them. And Stampin' Up's policy is a little bit more lenient than Close to My Heart was. But I did want to share when I find things that I really like, I want to share them with you. And so that's what I want to do today. And I, as a card maker, I send birthday, anniversary, all those kind of cards out to family and friends, besides just Christmas. But because sometimes I get so busy, then I forget about it, even though it's on my calendar. So Stampin' Up, I saw, has this. It's called Birthday Card Organizer Kit. And it is item 161056. If you're interested after you see this video, it's $25. And I thought, well, but I was surprised because I just thought it was an organizer, and I did take a peek at this, and it also comes with cards, so you can have a choice of, having maybe a quick card ready for somebody that you work with, or, something. So I just wanted to share this with you. And right now, I thought would be a good time to share it because, well, one, I just got it recently, but in the month of July, for every $50 you spend, you get a $5 coupon off to be used in the month of August. So it's kind of like a bonus. All right, so let's take a look. Like I said, I took a peek, but everything's kind of still wrapped up. The thing I like about their kits, I signed up, they have this thing called a paper pumpkin, and it's a monthly kit, and it comes with everything. So this one does too, I see. Comes with your tape. Let's open this up. And take a peek. I must say that everything that I've gotten from them has been excellent quality. Their cardstock is nice and thick. All right. Every kit that they have comes with instructions. So we've got the tape, we've got little clear sequins to decorate. We've got little foam. And then these little things are sticky dots, which is funny because for the longest time I didn't know what they were, and then somebody else didn't, and then they posted, "What are these?" And someone said, "Oh, they're sticky dots." And it's like, oh, okay. So this comes, let's look at these instructions. Comes with, I think, 3 different, 2 or 3, yeah. 2 different style of cards. Comes with your everything that we've looked at. Comes with our envelopes, which always coordinate, which is really nice. And then your cards. So we've got these cards to go with these envelopes. And then these card bases to go with those. And then these are all the to decorate your cards with. And there's instructions. And then this is for the organizer. These are to go on the cards. This is It's Your Day, and they have it in 4 different languages. So, and then the months. Wait. There we go. In 4 different languages. And then these go on your cards also. That's more decorations for your cards. All right, so let's take a look. This has got a nice big, thick, this is pretty. All right, so it's got a nice big pocket here, and it's got a pocket for each month. Another nice big pocket, and it's pretty sturdy. So these would go here, and then you'd write down, you know, who the birthdays, and then the finished cards go in here, so it's really easy for you to grab. So let's see if it says anything else in here. All right, so it tells you what pieces to use for this card, and then it also shows you what foam dots, the little sticky glue dots. It's Your Day goes there. It shows you card number 2 and how they put that together and what they suggest using. And then putting your month on each of the dividers. So they give you everything and clear instructions. There's where they're showing the flower, all of the pieces, and then the tape, the foam squares, and then the little glue dots. And then on this one, they're telling you just to use the tape. So, I mean, this is a really nice, you know, like I said, their card kits are exactly like this. So you could just grab it and go, and, you know, if you're going to go away for the weekend, and then you've got everything that you need in one little box. So the next paper pumpkin is on its way to me, and that's their monthly kit. So when I get that, I'll show it to you so that you can see what I'm talking about, because if you're not familiar with it, I might be confusing you. because sometimes that's how I roll. So I think this is going to help me at least. These are nice, heavy. I love the flowers on the front and the back. So you get a lot for the $25, you know, and like I said, you know, you don't necessarily have to use the cards, but they're nice to have, you know, for a quick card, because they're very pretty. All of their stuff is really nice. I have that I've gotten so far, that I've in my experience so far, which is only a couple of months old, but you know, close to my heart, lean more towards scrapbooking, and that's what I started with them, was because my husband had passed away and I wanted to scrapbook memory books for my sons. But then I started leaning more towards card making as the kids, you know, got old and the grandchildren got older. And I like to think of cards as like little tiny versions of a scrapbook page. You know, you can get your creativity fulfilled quicker than mulling over a scrapbook page. Though I still love scrapbooking. I just haven't found the time to get back into it, but I am gonna try, as I've mentioned before. So anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. I will put the information in the description in case you're interested. You know, if you want to give them a try, now is the time that they're, you know, you've got the $5. They do have specials every once in a while. Sometimes they do free shipping. This is called bonus days, where they give $5 coupon for every $50 spent. They have a lot of things, because they're so much bigger than Close to My Heart ever was. They have the ability to do a lot of big time specials. So, all right, so that's it for this one. If you have not subscribed, you can hit that button, and then the bell. If you hit that, it will tell you when there's a new video to watch. There's also the thumbs up button if you like a video or find it informative. That thumbs up button is tells YouTube that you like what you watched, and so that's important to YouTube also. So, and then the share button, they make it very easy now to share a video with your friends. So, all right, so that's it. So leave me a comment if you have any questions. Leave me a comment just because you care, because you want to. All right. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.